Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki. This is my guest bedroom and it seriously needed some love and care, and it was high time that we did some changes in the room. So I have completely emptied the room. The idea is to clean and clear this cord mess that you see here, vacuum each and every corner of the room, and change the entire look and feel of the room. So this is all before pictures, and the cord situation has to be handled. Even the bathroom is at a bare minimum, and we want to add some accessories in the bathroom as well. So these are all before pictures. Not much. There was just a soap dispenser here. Needs a lot of cleaning as well. There are a couple of toiletries and cleaning supplies just lying there. So this bed is a nice tufted bed, and this we got it custom made, but there are a couple of beds that are linked in description box, which is available in different furniture portals. Now let me show you the cupboard situation here. So this is a white and blue cupboard that we have, not white, off-white in the middle, and since we are in a rented accommodation, we cannot change that. The curtains came with the house. I like the color but not happy with the length, but I'm going to keep with it. This is how I have done after all the labor and all the decorations that we have added. It comes out as a very serene, calm bedroom. It's not heavy on decor, honestly, but it still looks simple and elegant, and it's pretty functional. We have been able to add a small sitting corner as well in the room, a wall-mounted TV. So let's get started and let me show you what all DIYs that I did in this room and how I made the whole room come together. Let's get started. First thing first, that I removed all the furniture, everything from the room. Then I vacuumed the mattresses. Since it's an upholstered bed, I vacuumed the entire bed as well. I also vacuumed the sideboards, the floor, everything that you can think of, walls, because this was the best time to give the whole room a good clean. Now I started with the fresh sheet. These sheets are from Amazon. They are 100% cotton, and they are super comfortable to sleep on. They come with 2 pillow covers, but I bought 2 separate pillow covers of the same brand because I like to add at least 4 sleeping pillows on a bed. Now this is a duvet cover, and there's a comforter inside it, and I like to keep a separate comforter inside the cupboard for the guests to use. just kind of gives a very neat and clean look, and makes the bed looks very inviting. Though while sleeping, I like to take them off from all the sides. But yes, for the time being, yeah, I love the look and feel of it. So every day I make sure I make my bed in the same fashion. Now this is a teal color, I think teal color throw blanket that I made a long time back. It was again a DIY with an old bed sheet and a foam inside, and I did all sorts of zigzag pattern. That was the time. Now these cushions that you see are from Amazon. These small cushions, 12 by 12, is again a handmade. I added 2 lamps. These lamps are again from Amazon. Now this god, oh my god, I did have to clean these right now, but I did use a painter's tape and taped the whole wire situation here, and then I painted the entire tape with a similar color of my wall. Though it didn't completely hide it, but it kind of camouflaged it, and I can still live with it, I can say so. So these are common problems that we face in the rental accommodations, because you cannot drill holes or do much on the walls. Now this lamp that you see here is a little bit of a DIY. The lamp stem came in a black color, which didn't go with the room decor, so I spray painted it with the silver color. Now this is a painting that we made. This is again a flea market find, and all these, and I'm gonna paint this in a mixture of chalk paint and acrylic paint, and this came out really well. Now the big box that you see, the flower box or something, that I'm going to use to store all my toiletries, extra toiletry supplies in the bathroom, and this tissue box, I'll use it on the coffee table. Now the next DIY is all these tables that you see in this room. I have used these vinyl sheets, contact paper. They come with different names, so it was very easy. I painted these bedside table in this creamy white finish, and then on the top I wanted this light wood color. It will be much more easier to use a contact paper, and honestly, to put this up is a most easiest job. You just measure it, cut it, and the way that I'm sticking it, gently, slowly removing all the air bubbles, this contact paper easily sticks to the surface. Now, using a crafter's knife, you have to cut the sides properly, and make sure the knife is really sharp, so that will make the job really easy and seamless, as you can see here. Now let me show you how I have made the whole room look come together. So let's go and see one by one each and every corner. This is how the final look of the room is. These are the 3 paintings that I made. It's basic, simple watercolor. I saw these pictures on Pinterest and I couldn't do the right justice to the painting. The paintings on Pinterest was far more better. Actually, these paintings were the inspiration behind the entire decor of the room because if you remember, the wardrobe is like dark blue color and the curtains were like teal turquoise color. And to blend these two colors, I had to choose something in the blue color palette, in a brighter blue color palette, if I say so. And with that, only a dark pink was going, and I didn't want the room to look very stark. So this picture was really ideal. I have also made this small label out of this. A small ashtray is there, and then in this bin box, I've kept it empty. I usually store all snacks and drinks in this box, in this metal box. This is again a flea market find, and I keep all bottles and soft drinks in this caddy and let my guests enjoy it, and fill the bin with all sorts of snacks so that it's easier for them to use. I leave the drawers empty for them to use to keep all their knickknacks, their medicines and stuff like that. These are the same pillows that I was talking about. The cushions are again from Amazon. You can have a closer look. They are fantastic. I bought in a set of 5, and this is one of the DIYs, and you can see it is very, very old, almost 10 years old. The stitches are still coming out, but I so love the texture of it. It is satin finish and it's so soft. On this side, I have this IKEA bedside table alarm clock, lots of towels. This drawer has an extension cord and these mosquito repellent machine or something, whatever it's called. So yeah, this side again, the cushions, both the cushions are DIY, and this is leftover fabric from my bed of the master bedroom. I made these small lumbar cushions, and I love these chairs. These chairs are this slightly vintage look and the curves are so nice, and the best part is these nail head trim that is all on the sides. It makes it look so nice and classy and rustic. And I got this entire upholstery done on this chair. I haven't changed the curtains, and this is the bathroom, and it looks way much better than what it was before. I think I kind of love it. On the countertop, I have kept some face towels, and at the bottom, just to create a storage, I have used these 2 wall shelves and painted them in matte white finish. On this side, we have some extra toilet paper and things like that. I'll just show you in a minute. This is from Amazon, and it is so good. It stores everything, your toothbrush, toothpaste, everything. And this is the face towel what I have stored, and in here I have some Q-tips, cotton balls and toothpicks, etc. So it holds really neatly inside. Face towels, I always like to keep it in cover, reason it doesn't catch any dust and everything. I'll show you what I have kept in this box. It is the best thing that I did. Now I've added some essential oils inside the toilet paper, you can see, so it smells so good. And then this is some wash, and then some air fresheners, some female products, and it's so easier for the guests to use. On this side I've kept it simple. On the top I have some toiletries, and at the bottom I just have shaving foam. In this box, the one that I got it from flea market, this box holds all kinds of extra toiletries and everything, the medicines, all kinds of things this box holds. On top I've just added some faux flowers and nothing much, and that's it. It's I like the red color from the picture that we have been able to carry it in this bathroom as well. And on this side I have used these extension curtain rods, and I've put the air freshener in this bag. So this is it. This is how my bedroom looks like. So enjoy. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and it helps me to keep posting new videos. And I'm there on Instagram as well at Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki. Do follow me on Instagram and Pinterest. I post much more content over there. And for more videos, just hit that bell icon, so whenever I post a new video, you get the notification. And if you think that I should change something in this room, just do let me know. I would love to hear from you, or else just say a hi on a comment box. Also, let me know if you want to see more DIY videos or flea market haul videos. Till then, stay safe. And thank you so much for watching.